What's good, sneaky heads? Back here with another one. Shout out to Foot Locker hooking me up with another raffle win. Definitely happy about that because taking L's again, it's not working out. Tinker Hatfields didn't get, so I'm probably have to pay resale on those. The ones I definitely want though, the Sean Witherspoons, lost a few raffles. I might have to wait in line tomorrow at social status, but if not, I'm gonna have to pay resale because I've got to get those. I saw them up close, and the quality is like some of the best I've ever seen. So, but yeah, we're not here for that. We're here for another one. Shout out to Foot Locker again. Let's jump right into it. Got the House of Hoops bag. Y'all probably already know what this is because of the title and the box. Black Jordan 1 box, size 12, as always. Now these, they are pretty cool. I mean, they look good, you know, there you go. They are the Jordan 1 Game Royals. They also call them the Game Royal OGs, but this colorway I don't think's ever dropped. It's a rendition of the Chicago one, just instead of the red, it's blue. So I definitely like what they did with this. The only downside to it is the leather. Everybody has been going like, oh my god, all over social media. It's just like, oh, fire, 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 blah, blah, blah. You know, it's cool. Colorway is cool. The leather quality is not cool. I don't even know what to compare this to. All of this right here, the blue, super stiff. The white, not really soft at all. Real stiff. Everything around here is just so stiff. The shoe is like super, super stiff. The more you wear it, the more you're going to break it in. But, I mean, that right there, it feels like that pair of fake Jordan 1s that I made here. This video right here, if you don't know what I'm talking about, check that link out. I got a pair of Fufu reverse Shattered Backboards back way, like for my birthday or whatever. Wife got them for me, didn't know what she was getting. They turned out to be Fufu. I mean, they're really good fakes, but they're stiff, just like this. It feels like the exact same material. Like they are, except this leather right here is softer on the fakes than it is on this. Doesn't make any sense. But I mean, especially since you just had the bread toes, and the bread toes were like just under Shattered Backboard quality. Come on, like why not get these made at the same factory? Like, what are y'all thinking? And from what I understand, the shadows that are going to come out are in between this and the bread toes in quality. So, not very happy. Like, out of all my Jordan 1s, not one of them feels like this. And it's sad. The closest this resembles is the fake one. That's not good. That really isn't good at all. Here, let's do an on feet real quick so you can just check it out on feet. Like I said, they look good, but let's check them out on feet. probably see it on foot how stiff they are. I mean, the way that they crease and everything. I don't know. I like them. The main reason why I copped them, same reason why everybody probably copped them, besides the reverse Chicago 1 colorway, was the fact that they resemble the fragments. And nobody wants to drop like $1,200-$1,500 on the fragments. So probably going to get these, color this part black. Which is crazy because when those dropped, they set. And then people bought them out. Like certain individuals bought them out to control them and then hyped them, and now they're worth a buttload. So, and from what I understand, the quality on those was stiff, like almost just like this. Like, this is so stiff. This right here, you hear that? That shouldn't sound like that. It's like sharp. Like that edge right there is sharp. Here. I'm going to magically get my bread toes ready. There you go. Now, right here, you see, kind of dull. Right here, loud, poppy. It's almost just snap. But super soft, and that's what I'm getting at. This right here, the upper on this, you can see, even on the toe, you can see that it's tumbled, tumbled all the way around. Super soft, just great. But this, there's no tumble on the upper up here whatsoever. There's barely any tumble on the toe. Like, you can see tumble, barely any tumble. It's nuts. I mean, the side panels right here, the white, kind of soft, a little bit. Not as soft as these are, but kind of soft. But you're not going to get this out of that. It's whatever. Not too happy with them, but I'm going to keep them. That's the other thing. Look at the back of this one. See, it's smooth. There might be a little crease right there. It's mainly smooth though. And then you get to this one. You can see that the heel cup actually cuts into the leather right there because of how stiff it is. Really weird. Not a big fan of them at all, but I like the colorway. That's really all that matters, right? I mean, they'll loosen up, hopefully. I was about to say, is that a peak? It definitely is fake. But no, Foot Locker sells them. Bought them from Foot Locker. And this isn't their fault at all. This is just a shoddy, probably new warehouse in China making these. They might have, undercut the last one. And you even have glue going around the edge right here. You can see that shiny glue line. Even up here around the toe, you can see glue. I'm not happy with these at all. And people are going berserk for them. I don't understand. I don't understand at all. And, the friends that I have that work at Foot Locker, they all told me that it was stiff from the get-go. You could even look through the little case and tell that they were stiff. But I was like, it can't really be that bad. It's not that good. But good colorway nonetheless. I guess that makes up for it. But these are going to be the ones on my foot. These are going to be the ones just chilling. I can tell you that right now. Unless I want to do kind of what I talked about doing in the that last video. Mix them up a little bit. You know what I mean? Those look cool together. Mix it up. Do the same thing with these and the Chicagos or the band ones or whatever else. Even these, like a lot of people said that these were foo-foo. This is super soft up here. I mean, you can even tell right there that it's kind of, I mean, see, you can just push a little bit into it and it gives. Same with that. Just push a little bit into it and it gives. This one, not so much. It's like real stiff. But whatever. How do y'all feel about it? I mean, I'm sure everybody out there copped them. They made a lot of them. Even if they were limited, they should have done something a little bit better, like quality wise, because jeez. But yeah, how many of y'all copped them? Y'all happy with them? If everybody's was like this, I highly doubt that you guys are. I'm happy with the colorway, don't get me wrong. Materials just, they're not good. I mean, if I still had the fake ones, I would show you a comparison with those. And all you would have to do is throw a bag on here with a red line on it and cross the laces in the front. Everybody would be like, fake, fake, even though these are real. So, yeah, stay tuned for some B-roll. Make sure to click this link for the giveaway. Y'all don't want to miss that. Make sure to like, subscribe, leave a comment. Got a lot more on the way, and whether I cop them tomorrow or cop them in a week, there's going to be a video on those Sean Witherspoons. So just stay tuned. And yeah, I got some more stuff on the way, so follow me on social media. And I hope y'all have a good one. Catch y'all on the next one. Peace.